Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about one of the most refreshing herbal drinks in the world. Peppermint tea. Fresh, aromatic, relaxing. For centuries, people have enjoyed peppermint tea as part of their daily routine. Many people drink it after meals. Others enjoy it during quiet moments throughout the day. But peppermint tea offers more than a refreshing taste. Let's begin with digestion. Peppermint tea is often enjoyed after meals because many people find it soothing for the digestive system. A comfortable digestive system plays an important role in overall wellness. Another important benefit is relaxation. The pleasant aroma of peppermint may help create a calming experience. Many people enjoy a warm cup during busy days. Then comes stress management. Taking a few quiet moments with a warm herbal tea can help support relaxation. Another important area is hydration. Like other herbal teas, peppermint tea contributes to daily fluid intake. Good hydration supports many body functions. Now let's talk about freshness. Peppermint is famous for its refreshing aroma. This is one reason peppermint tea is enjoyed around the world. Another important benefit is antioxidants. Peppermint contains natural plant compounds. These compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress. Then comes mental clarity. Many people enjoy peppermint because of its fresh scent. This refreshing experience may help support focus during the day. Another advantage is that peppermint tea is naturally caffeine-free. This makes it a popular choice in the evening. Now let's discuss daily wellness. Simple healthy habits often create meaningful results over time. A warm cup of herbal tea can become part of a relaxing daily routine. But here is the truth. No tea can replace healthy living. Good nutrition matters. Physical activity matters. Sleep matters. Stress management matters. Everything works together. Now here is the key message. Peppermint tea is more than a refreshing drink. It may support digestion, relaxation, hydration, and overall wellness. Small healthy habits repeated every day can make a big difference over time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care,